Hey folks, it is the coldest it's been this year so far, 22 degrees, and we're gonna check on the system to see how things are going right now. I didn't cover it or anything. Let me see here, I'm gonna flip you around. All right, so my chard is frozen, basically solid. Yeah, it looks like everything froze, which I was expecting because, like I said, I didn't cover it. I don't think anything's gonna really live too much after this. I'll be surprised, but this is the first time I've ever had an uncovered thing out here in the winter. These are supposed to be cold hardy. These are not frozen. My kales, that's a romaine top that I planted from the store after we used the leaves on it. Some of the smaller ones have some frozen leaves on them. The spinach seems to be thawed out, doing fine. Yeah, the kale seems to be all right. This romaine is fine. I wonder how the Brussels sprouts are gonna do. I don't know. Hopefully I did some trimming on them because they were covered in aphids still. I mean, as you can tell, there are still a lot of aphids in there. The dock is probably gonna all die back now, which is fine. I haven't really found anything to do with them yet. I still need to come out here and collect all the seeds off of this. Let me know if you want some marigold seeds. We can work out something. I'll send you some. But these were really good. This was the prettiest plant I had. My tatsoi. Look at how pretty that is. How deep green that is. I really proud of that plant this year. There's a smaller tatsoi back there that I had just recently planted. Some more kale. Let's check on the system here. I don't see any ice forming. That's good. Nothing's over there. You can see the fish down there doing their thing. All back there. It's almost time to start thinning. I'm gonna have to find some homes for koi here soon. Probably post them on Facebook groups, see if anybody wants any. And this white stuff you're seeing on this, that's not ice, that's salt. I made the mistake. I still haven't fixed my water system to where I'm plugged in front of the water softener, so we still have water softener salt issues in here. Once I finally get that done, I'll be able to fix it. And what I'll probably end up doing is pulling all of the rock out, washing it, making a mud hole in the backyard for the dogs to play in, and just getting as much salt off of that as possible before putting it back in, because I don't want to kill all the beneficial bacteria. Though with it being this cold, there's a good chance the beneficial bacteria are dying anyway. I'll show you my this is my little thing that I put up for the sunchokes. I also put some shallots in here, and the other day I just tossed out handfuls of clover seed, and it's coming up pretty nice. You may have seen my Instagram reel. I was saying why I grow stuff, so, but and that was some close-ups of those little guys. But Kobe is begging to say hi. Say hi. And there's Chewbacca. Well, I hope you guys have a great day and stay warm.